Who's the guy from Super Troopers? We got that one from Super Troopers. Sergeant Dudley. That's your name, Sergeant Dudley, sir. Oh, by the way, people, I'm, pumping gas while my car is running. Officer Dudley. Then we got Officer Tackleberry over there. I don't want to get out of the car, I might get shot to death. Hey, Tackleberry, you got my ticket? That's Tackleberry. Tackleberry for you. And we got old school stiff fish right there. Right there. That boy served a name, goddammit. Fucking Agent Orange and shit. He's gonna keep a straight face. I'm not gonna laugh, goddammit. I got gas. I'm constipated. Goddammit, I'm constipated. They're like, what the fuck is wrong with this nigger? This nigger is out of his fucking mind. Jesus Christ. You see how he started moving? Once you say nigger, they get all uncomfortable and shit. Right? Look at this guy. Look at this guy. This guy, oh my God. He looks like the fucking guy from Home Improvement. What was the son? What was that son? Tim? Or whatever. What was his name? Biff? Bill? Biff? Whatever the fuck his name is. Standard issued white guy. Right here. Officer! Hey, officer! Hey, officer, my cat's stuck in the tree, officer! Holy shit! Fuck! Christ! Call the fucking fire! God damn it! Oh, damn! Fucking write that ticket, Tackleberry! Get this nigger out of here! God damn it!